debut of the 2024 Toyota Camry 1580, the next-generation business sedan, has been delayed by Toyota. According to Drive, an Australian magazine, the ninth iteration of the Camry will be released 7 years after its predecessor, instead of the usual 5 to 6 years. Toyota is reportedly taking its time with the development of the new Camry, as competition in the mid-size sedan segment has reduced. However, waiting lists for the current Camry in Australia are as high as 12 months, meaning that customers who join the queue in 2023 could potentially receive the next-generation sedan. Production of the new Camry is scheduled to begin in April 2024 at Toyota's US plant. The ninth-generation Camry is expected to feature the TNGA-K platform, revolutionary exterior design, and evolutionary interior improvements. While most markets are expected to offer a hybrid powertrain, about 85% of sedans sold in the US come with conventional gasoline engines, so such versions will remain available. However, the V6 engine will be replaced with a new 2.4-liter Turbo 4. The car will also feature the latest generation multimedia system, a larger screen, the Toyota operating system, support for various communication protocols, voice control, and over-the-air updates. The base powertrain for the Camry will be a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which delivers 265 horsepower, replacing the current 3.5-liter naturally aspirated engine. Additionally, a 335 horsepower hybrid power plant based on a 2.5-liter internal combustion engine may also be available. There is even a possibility that a plug-in modification equipped with a hybrid system similar to the RAV4 PHEV will be added to the range.